Here are some ways to thrive on a low salary in 2026. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, where we discuss everything about personal finance. If you're new here, please consider subscribing to be notified when I post new videos. So if you find yourself in a situation where you have a low salary or you're reliving with a limited budget, don't despair, because it's still possible to live a comfortable life without breaking the bank. In fact, many people around the world are thriving on low salaries, and you can do it too. It just takes a little bit of creativity, discipline, and planning. In this video, I will be sharing 8 ways that you can thrive on a low salary in 2026. But before we continue, please take the time to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I post new videos. You can also show your support by giving this video a thumbs up. So let's get started. Number 1. Create a budget and track your expenses. The first step to thriving on a low salary is to create a budget and track your expenses. By doing so, you can identify areas where you can cut back and save money. Start by calculating your monthly income and then list down all your expenses, including rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation. There are several budgeting methods that you can use, such as the 50-30-20 budget method, zero-based budget method, and the envelope system. After identifying your expenses, look for areas where you can cut back. For example, you can reduce your utility bills by using energy-efficient appliances and light bulbs. Shop for groceries at discount stores. Cook meals at home instead of eating out, and use public transportation to get around. By tracking your expenses and cutting back on unnecessary costs, you can free up more of your income to save or invest. This can make a significant difference in your financial situation over time. Number 2. Build an emergency fund. Having an emergency fund is essential to thriving on a low salary. An emergency fund is a safety net that can help you cover unexpected expenses such as medical bills, car repairs, or job loss. Start by setting a goal for how much you want to save in your emergency fund. A good rule of thumb is to have 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses saved in your emergency fund. To build your emergency fund, start by setting aside a small amount each month and gradually increase the amount as your income increases. You can also look for ways to boost your income, such as taking on a part-time job or selling items you no longer need. It may take some time to build up your emergency fund, but it's worth it for the peace of mind that comes with knowing you re-prepared for unexpected expenses. Number 3. Invest in your skills and education. Investing in your skills and education is one of the best ways to increase your earning potential and improve your quality of life, whether you want to advance in your current career or make a career change. Acquiring new skills and knowledge can help you stand out in the job market and command a higher salary. Consider taking courses, attending workshops, or pursuing certifications in fields that are in demand. You can also enroll in online courses or take advantage of free educational resources such as YouTube tutorials and podcasts. By investing in your skills and education, you'll not only increase your earning potential, but also gain a sense of personal fulfillment and satisfaction that comes with learning and growing. Remember that investing in yourself is one of the best investments you can make. Number 4. Negotiate your salary. Negotiating your salary is an essential skill for anyone who wants to maximize their earning potential. Whether you're starting out in your career or looking for a raise in your current job, knowing how to negotiate can make a significant difference in your financial well-being. Start by researching industry standards and salary ranges for your position and experience level. Then practice your negotiation skills with friends or family members. When it's time to negotiate, be confident, polite, and persistent. Do not be afraid to ask for what you deserve, and be prepared to justify your request with your skills and experience. Remember that negotiating your salary is not selfish. It's a smart and savvy way to ensure that you are compensated fairly for your work. By mastering the art of salary negotiation, you can set yourself up for greater financial success in the years to come. No. 5. Live below your means. Living below your means is a fundamental principle for financial stability, and it's especially important if you have a low salary. It means that you should spend only what you can afford and avoid unnecessary luxuries or indulgences. To live below your means, you need to be mindful of your spending habits and make conscious choices about how to allocate your resources. This can include setting a budget, tracking your expenses, and avoiding lifestyle inflation. By living below your means, you can save more money, reduce your debt, and build a strong financial foundation for the future. It may require some sacrifices and discipline, but the long-term benefits are well worth it. No. 6. Consider a side hustle. If you're looking to supplement your income and achieve financial freedom, consider starting a side hustle. A side hustle is a part-time business or job that you do in addition to your regular full-time work. It can be something you're passionate about or just a way to bring in some extra cash. Some popular side hustles include freelancing, blogging, social media management, driving Uber, or delivering food. Starting a side hustle can provide you with additional income, flexibility, and the opportunity to pursue your interests. Plus, it can help you become more financially independent and secure. With the rise of the gig economy, there are more opportunities than ever to start a side hustle and earn extra income. Number 7. Build multiple income streams. Building multiple income streams is a smart way to increase your financial stability and create a safety net for yourself. When you have a low salary, it can be challenging to make ends meet, and any unexpected expenses can throw you off balance. However, by diversifying your income sources, you can create a more reliable and sustainable financial future for yourself. One way to build multiple income streams is to invest in rental properties. Another option is to start a part-time business or side hustle. You can also monetize your hobbies or skills, such as writing, photography, or social media marketing. By building multiple income streams, you will be able to reduce your reliance on a single source of income and create a more secure financial future for yourself. Number 8. Look for ways to boost your income. If you have a low salary, it's important to look for ways to boost your income and increase your earning potential. One way to do this is to ask for a raise or promotion at your current job. Another option is to seek out higher-paying employment opportunities. You can also consider negotiating your salary when applying for new jobs. Additionally, you can explore opportunities for overtime or additional responsibilities that can lead to higher pay. Starting a side hustle or part-time business can also be a great way to supplement your income and achieve financial freedom. Remember that increasing your income doesn't necessarily mean working more. It's about finding smart and strategic ways to boost your earnings and maximize your earning potential. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Share this video with your family and friends. And don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts, suggestions, or experiences. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next video.